Good morning, children. I am Samoli ma'am and welcome to Sneholata Public School online class. Dear children, today I will discuss on page number 53 from Tulips plus Term 3 book. This is page number 53, but before going to start this page, I will going to revise first part of page number 52. Only first part of page number 52 I will revise, then go to next page, page number 53. Okay, so let's start. S sounds. SK sounds. SKATE skate. SKATE skate. SKIN skin. SKIN skin. SKIRT skirt. SKIRT skirt. SKIP skip. SKIP skip. SKY sky. SKY sky. Next row. Let's start with SL. SLAP slap. SLAP slap. SLIP sleep. SLIP sleep. SLUG slug. SLUG slug. SLEEP sleep. SLEEP sleep. SLAM slum. SLAM slum. Now next row. Start with sound SM. SMALL small. SMALL small. SMART smart. SMART smart. SMELL smell. SMELL smell. SMILE smile. SMILE smile. SMOKE smoke. SMOKE smoke. Now next row, and next row start with sound SP. Okay, SPOON spoon. SPOON spoon. SPILL spill. SPILL spill. SPIN spin. SPIN spin. SPOT spot. SPOT spot. Now last row, and sounds words start with sound ST. Okay, STOP stop. STOP stop. STEP step. STEP step. STAR star. STAR star. STICK stick. STICK stick. Okay, so you have to read all the words of first part of page number 52. Then go to second page, page number 53. Okay, page number 53. Listen and repeat. You have to read the word, read the sentence and read with me aloud, okay? You have to listen the sentence and read aloud with me, okay? Spin the spoon fast. Spin the spoon fast. Okay? Spin, S-P-I-N, spin the spoon. Okay? Spoon fast. Okay? So this is a spoon and you have to spin the spoon fast. Okay? So read with me 3 times. Spin the spoon fast. Spin the spoon fast. Spin the spoon fast. Okay? Now, next. Star, please stop. Star, please stop. This is star. Okay? Star, please stop. Read with me aloud 3 times. Star, please stop. Star, please stop. Star, please stop. Now, next. Smita, step on the dry spot. Smita, the girl's name is Smita. Step on the dry spot. Okay? Now, read with me aloud 3 times. Smita, step on the dry spot. Smita, step on the dry spot. Smita, step on the dry spot. Okay? Now next part. Fill in the blanks. Say the words also. You have to look at the picture and fill in the blank. Okay? Let's start. He is skating. So answer will be S-K-T-E. So answer will be A. You have to write A in the middle. Okay? You have to write A here. Next word will be skid. Next word will be skid. You have to write here I. You have to write here I. Okay? Skid. Next word. Look at the picture. Next word will be ST then R. ST dash R. So answer will be I. Answer will be I. Okay, street. Next word ST then RT. So next letter will be A. Okay, next letter will be A. START, start. Now look at the picture. Here this is a spade and SP-DE. Here you have to write A. You have to write A. Okay? You have to write A. Sorry, I write it properly. Spade. Now, next, look at the picture and SP then dash T. Here, correct letter will be I. Correct letter will be I. SPIT. Spit. Now, Now look at the picture. It is a slide and SLDE. Answer will be I. Letter will be I. Slide. And snail. It is a snail and it speeds very slow. It walks very slow. It walks very slow. And SL-W. You have to write here O. Okay, you have to write here O. Slow. So dear students, you have to do fill in the blanks in your book. First word skate, second skate, next this is skate, skeet, steer, start, spade, speed, slide, slow. Okay, so you have to do this in your book. Now next page you have to color this picture. Okay, you have to color this picture. So dear students, you have to revise first part of page number 52, then you have to do page number 53. Okay, page number 53, then you have to do page number 54. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll meet again next day. Thank you.